extra time.
This former India cricketer in contention to replace Ravi Shastri.
2 घंटे में डिलीवरी, विश यू अ स्पीडी रिकवरी। कोई भी दवा अब नहीं करो मिस, दवाई चाहिए एसएप तो बस एक अपोलो 24/7 डिलीवर करे आपकी पूरी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन सिर्फ 2 घंटों में।
Team India's head coach Ravi Shastri's tenure will come to an end after the T20 World Cup this year. It is learned that the former India cricketer no longer wishes to renew his contract. Shastri has been highly successful in his role as the head coach of the Indian cricket team. The big question now is who will replace Shastri as the head coach of the Indian cricket team. Former India cricketer Rahul Dravid has already made it clear he is not interested to take the role of head coach of the Indian team. In fact, Dravid has applied for the role of National Cricket Academy director again. In such a situation, Team India's batting coach Vikram Rathore has emerged as the front runner for the post of the coach of Team India. According to multiple reports and know-how of the developments, Rathore might just sneak in with the high-profile job. The former India opener has the backing of Union Sports Minister and former BCCI President Anurag Thakur. Rathore is considered close to Ravi Shastri and also shares a good relationship with Captain Virat Kohli. One of the most important factors going in favor of Vikram Rathore is he has been associated with Team India for the past few years. Vikram Rathore's relationship with the team is good and he has worked closely with most of the current players in the team since his NCA days. The point which might go against Rathore is his low profile for the job. In recent times, Indian cricket has seen some big names donning the hat of head coach, the likes of Anil Kumble, Gary Kirsten, Greg Chappell, John Wright and Ravi Shastri. Rathore, who made his test debut for India during the tour of England in 1996, has only played 6 tests and 7 ODIs. He scored only 131 runs in 6 tests with the highest score of 44. In 7 ODIs, Rathore has scored only 193 runs with 2 half-centuries. His first-class record is quite impressive though, scoring 11,473 runs in 146 matches with an average close to 50. Rathore has registered 33 centuries and 49 half-centuries as well. With still a few months left, it will be interesting whether some big names apply for the high-profile post. The BCCI has been tight-lipped on the matter so far.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.